Hi, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I'm the owner of the trustisyou.com in a podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains. I'm going to do a brand new speech on September 12th at 4 p.m. I'm posting this on Eventbrite, and they wanted to get a slide, so this is what I'm doing. So I'm going to share my screen. So I'm doing a video of some actual clients to show you how much the business and the beneficial trust can save you so much money. Now, the Spendthrift Trust is legal, patented in the IRS Tax Code 643. Slideshow. I'm learning how to do things. It's in the IRS Tax Code 643B. It comes from England way back when King Henry VIII got in trouble for chopping off his wives' heads. He started the Church of England. Why not? So this is, I have 2 pages of case law for you. It's gone in front of the U.S. Supreme Court twice. And depending on which trust you get, there are 4 trusts that I'm going to talk about. But all the trusts are going to save you federal taxes. Everybody wants to save federal taxes. It's going to keep your information 100% private. Unfortunately, people think they're LLCs, S Corps, and C Corps will do that. That's not true. That's statutory law. So every state is a little bit different. And all I have to do is a Freedom of Information Act, and I get all your information from the Secretary of State or from the Corporation Commission. I just have to know who I'm writing to. And third, most important thing, it's going to keep you, I can't stop you from being sued, but you will not pay any judgments if you get sued. So here are some examples. We're going to go over this quite quickly, just so you guys can get an idea. An affiliate marketer in upstate New York saw my YouTube video. His numbers are from 2021. At that time, his wife just got her real estate license. They were still doing their 2022 taxes, so we didn't have that information. So we used his 2021 information, and we know that we're going to save him $90,012.30, and we're going to save him 10.3% in New York State taxes for a whopping total of $142,812. Now with 2023, his wife is a real estate broker. His affiliate marketing group, at the time he only had 602,021. He now has over 800 people in 6 countries. He sells weight loss, so his numbers are going to be even better. Amazing thing. This gentleman, he actually listened to a conversation I was having with a friend of mine. He is from Long Island, has fantastic white pizza. He asked my business card. I sat down and talked to him and his wife. They have 2 New York-style pizzerias here in the Charlotte area. They're making $15,000 per month, so it's $180,000 per year. They filed jointly, and they're at 22% tax rate. So we know how much we're going to save them at 70%. I can legally say save at 70%. Many of my clients are saving between 90 to 97% on their federal taxes, but I just give them lower numbers so they can be surprised. So the first year, he's going to come out almost even Steven. 2024, he's going to save $21,460. In 2025, he's opening a 3rd location. And in 2026, he's opening up a 4th location with the savings from the Spendthrift Trust. Fantastic thing. Another Charlotte native, she is a real estate agent. I met her at a breakfast. She currently has 4 properties on going to be sold. She's divorced, filing single. She's at 22% tax rate. There are 7 different tax rates from 10% to 37%, 7 different tax brackets, and 4 different ways to file your taxes: single, head of household, married jointly, or married separately. So this is why I'm giving you these numbers. We know that we would have saved her in 2022 $10,707 on her taxes. That's a lot of money for her. Oh, I don't have that here. Oh, she's going to be selling a house on October 31st, and with very expensive house, over $700,000. And we're going to save her over $3,000 in 1099 income because she has this business Spendthrift Trust. This gentleman contacted me again from YouTube. He said he only works 3 days a week. He sells commercial lighting nationwide. He knows he was making $125,000 at 24% tax rate, lives in Chicago. He knows he's going to save at least $15,540 every single year. Plus, he's going to save the 4.95% that the state of Illinois charges him. So we should be saving him more than $21,480 in 2023 taxes. He said to me, I only work 3 days a week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Now I'll work 5 days a week and make even more money. Good for him. Now, this is going to be the beneficial spendthrift trust. When you sell a business, any business, it could be a car wash, it could be a child care center, it could be an Amazon store, it could be a family restaurant. The son saw my TikTok video back in December, knew mom and dad were selling a 42-year-old family restaurant in Kentucky. They were going to move down to Florida to buy a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. The wife knew they were getting the trust. She didn't realize how much they were going to save. At 15%, I'm not a CPA, so I give them both numbers. At 15%, he's going to save $460,000 in capital gains, April 15th, 2024. At 20%, he's going to save $600,000. His wife called me in happy tears saying she's going to contact Dave of My Lottery Dream Home to find the 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo for them. I've not seen the show, but this is her dream. Another gentleman selling a business, an HVAC company. He started in his kitchen. His wife was a booker for him. He just sold it because he's got bursitis of the knees, and we're saving him at 15%, $255,000. At 20%, $340,000 in capital gains. Again, when you sell a business, it's what you started the business for. He started at zero, and what you sell it for. And it's the in between. That's what the federal government is going to take 15% or 20% of the profits to do that. This is another gentleman who saw a TikTok video. He's a fix and flipper in Victorville, California. He has actually a 4-man crew. He's the 5th man. He has a crew that fix and flips houses every single year, 4 of them every single year. He says on the average, he's making $50,000 on each flip. We know he's at 24% tax rate. He also has taxes in California. And I'm going to be honest, I didn't tell him the numbers there because California, I'm not very good with taxes. But every single flip he does, if he makes $50,000, he's going to save $12,000 in capital gains. So instead of just doing 4 fix and flips in 2023, he's now got enough capital to do 6 fix and flips. So he'll make even more money. Congratulations to him. A nationwide wholesaler from TikTok who contacted me because I do TikTok videos. He wholesales for about $20,000 per house. He's now 23 years old. He was 22 at the time we started talking. In 2022, he filed single and was at 35% tax rate. The highest is 37% tax rate. In 2022, he paid $83,894.50 in federal taxes. Now he's going to save, so far this year, he's going to save $98,000 in short-term capital gains. Beautiful. This gentleman is 3 years in a row went to his accountant saying he was paying too much in interest income because he's doing BRRRR strategy. I have 12 notes. If you're doing seller financing or if you're doing creative financing, you're going to be paying interest income. His friend referred me to him, so his friend made $600 as a referral fee, and we saved him and his family over $135,000 in 2022. He now has a whole bunch more houses in Texas, doing the BRRRR strategy and saving even more money. He quit a part-time job and a full-time job. Yay. This is a nice one. This is somebody who started, I had met them at a meeting. The husband is a wholesaler. They got the trust because the husband was wholesaling. The wife was sitting in on the meeting and she's like, oh, well, I'm an artist. I've never heard of the NFT world. So I introduced her to a friend of mine who does NFT artwork. She put up her first picture in the meta world on the Saturday after Thanksgiving and sold it in under 10 hours for $1,000. She's like, that was easy. So then she decided she's going to do a series, 1 through 100. So the first picture of the 1 through 100, that's 1099 income. They only have the beneficial trust. They will get the business trust soon. So pictures 2 through 100 are royalties, $99,000. And then she has done 8 more series of them. We're going to save them in 2023 at least $792,000. They paid off their home. They paid off their 2 vehicles. They have 2 children in elementary school. 1 child is going to go to kindergarten next year. They've got college funds for all 3 of them started. The husband has quit his IT job. He now has 4 rentals and he has wholesaled only 2 houses. The rental income is going to be saved with the Spendthrift Trust. Whoops. So that's all my people there. Sorry, I should have known when I was going to end that. So again, I'm going live September 12th, 4 p.m., or you can always set an appointment with me. My website, thetrustisyou.com. Here are some clients who are saving thousands of dollars in federal taxes because they have either the business trust, that's for 1099 income earners, or the beneficial trust, that's for investors. For business people, you will save at least 70% of your federal taxes year after year, generation after generation. Investors, you will no longer pay short-term or long-term capital gains, interest income, dividend income, rental income, or royalties year after year, generation after generation. The third trust is a charitable trust. So if you have a nonprofit, you could be saving there too. And then the fourth trust is a senior trust. If you're over 65, every October, so this October 2023, the federal government is going to go back to people who were on Medicare in 2021. And if you have made more than $91,000, you'll have to pay more for your Part B. That's your doctors and your medical tests. It's called IRMA, income-related adjusted amount. But if you have the Spendthrift Trust, the business trust, the beneficial trust, the charitable trust, or the senior trust, you file a 1041 tax return, and the IRS does not look at that. So again, my name is Sally Gimmon. My website, thetrustisyou.com. Please set an appointment with me and start saving today. And then my podcast, Stop Paying Capital Gains. With this video, I'm going to have the link for my September 12th, 4 p.m. Meeting. I'm going to have new slides to teach people how to save as much in federal taxes as possible. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful weekend.